Hi lovelies, welcome back. So I'm going to my friend's daughter birthday, so I've choose this fancy mauve net dress. So first I've used this golden serum. Then on top of it I will use the Maybelline Baby Care Instant Pore Eraser, then my Musarrat Misbah foundation. I will take one pump and evenly distribute it all over my face. I just forget to tell you that I have already wear my mint grey lens. Now I am going to spread it evenly all over my face. Then I am going to apply this razor concealer by Maybelline under my eye area, on the tip of nose and forehead, on the face on which I think I required some concealer. After this I am going to use this loose powder by Top Face to bake my under eye area and the upper jaw area. Now I'm going to leave this setting powder as it is, and now I'm going to use the Rivaj eyeshadow palette for contouring as well. So I'm going to take this brown shade and do the contouring of my jawline and nose as well. I am using the biscuit brown color for contouring, and I'm also going to blend it well because it's a daytime function and I don't want that my contouring has a harsh line. Now with the big fluffy brush I am going to remove the excess loose powder from my under eye area and upper jaw area. Now I am going to take a darker brown shade and fill my eyebrows with the help of pointed brush. Now I have choose the cashmere color. It is a kind of off-white color with the addition of glitter. So I am using this color as a base of my eyeshadow. After this I am going to take a fluffy round eyeshadow brush and take a biscuit brown color from the eyeshadow palette and make a crease from this color. After making the crease I am going to use the same color and spread it all over my eyelid. This brown color is a great transitional color. I am going to use a glittery color for my inner eyelid area. Now I'm going to take a mixture of some greyish and mauve glittery color and put it at the center of my eyelid. Now I'm going to apply the white pencil at the outer corner of my lower waterline. So this is actually the blush on palette, and I'm going to take a darker pink color and I'm going to apply it on the apple of my cheeks. Now with the help of liner pencil I'm going to create a small wing and later on I'm going to extend it. Actually the advantage of liner pencil is that it helps you to create a better grip. And now I'm going to use my travel friendly compact eyeshadow palette. I have already used it a lot, so I'm going to take a golden shimmery shade and apply it on the tip of my nose and on the upper bone of my cheeks. And trust me guys, it's super pigmented and so shimmery. Now I'm going to use my eyelash curler. It really helps me to curl my lashes. And after using this I am going to apply my Musarrat Misbah mascara. You can repeat this step if you want the extra curl in your lashes. My makeup is almost done, only the lipstick part is left. So first I am going to apply the brown lipstick. Now I I'm going to take a pointed brush and apply a darker brown color on my lips to create a smoky brown effect on all over my makeup. To make it more glossy, I'm going to apply a brown gloss over my lipstick. And along with this, I'm going to wear my brown stone ring. And here you can see the smoky brown eyeshadow look and the lipstick as well. And I really like this brownish look. Hope you have enjoyed this. Bye.